What's up, guys? Today I'm getting into some new tools. It's been a while since I put any videos up. I've been doing switching some stuff around, but today I thought I'd throw this up here, just a little hack, and I believe I've shared it in the past, but it's kind of cool seeing it on some brand new drills. Got some brand new 12 volts. I like these. They're real small, easy, capable, especially when you're working on appliances and you get in some tight spaces. But fresh right out of the box, first thing I do is slamp these little magnets. You grab these at Menards. You can pretty much buy them anywhere. Home Depot, Lowe's, any place like that. And then the screw that comes with the drills for putting these belt hooks on, which I never use those. I use that to secure the magnet. It's nice and tight, and therefore you can take all your favorite bits, which with appliances you end up switching between a few bits. Put all your favorite bits right there, quick access, and it makes it very easy to use and switch out. Cool, that's my tip for today. Thanks for watching, guys. You have a great day.